Hi, my name is Venu. I have gone through the 5-day AI agentic course. So, as per that course, I'm trying to do one of the use case is called as trip planning is a generally multi-constant task. And a good plan is to satisfy a budget, respect of flight arrival, departure times, avoid scheduling museums on the day you leave the uh, and matches the traveler's interest. A single LLM prompt tends to produce possible-looking itineraries that quietly volatile one or more of these constants. So that is the reason I gone through the multi-agent where the hallucination will be less and more accurate response will get. So user will request a trip planner, and then first agent intake agent decompose into a trip spec related to the parallel agents. Here it uses fan out, and then each agent it calls LLM and tools as well. So flight agent, lodging agent, activities agent, and then it gathers all responses and loop into the conflict with this budget, scheduling, all related as per user request. It is conflict or no conflict. But here I use it for max 3, and then output of that it went on to the itinerary agent. It gives a day by day actual plan, so that you can see in the code. So now it is like I created an agent and using anti-gravity IDE, and gone through the debugging and able to start application successfully, and you can see that application started. So this is a good thing in Edge ADK is you can select the applications, you can see eval and travel plan, and I asked about the plan. It gives it gone through the all agents and gives the flight details and activity details, no conflict, and finally it gives the day by day result report. But here it provides the trace of which agent it is going and all. So same thing I run through the command line. So some of the 3 use cases I use it. This is like it uses lodging and everything. This one is like other use case I use it like I'm going to stay in relatives house, no hotel. As opposed to Paris, it's like Paris is a like I mocked the data, so that instead of calling actual calls to the API, instead of that I use it mock. So that's why I always uses Paris here. It skipped the lodging, but here in this case, suppose one of the use case, other use case is New York, but even though New York, it gives the Paris related. So yeah, this is like a user and also demo to run. Thank you.